Hello friends, how are you all? Today I am doing sticker nails or ready to press on nails. But I am using hard gel or builder gel to stick these nails. I am applying this technique for the first time and of course struggling so much to get this on. Because I cut my nails last time and my nails are not long enough to stop the gel to touch on my skin. I did not show those parts in this video because I already tried these without turning on the camera. After 2-3 trials, now I got the right way to apply this on, and as you can see I am picking the gel according to my nail bed size. But the gel is touching my skin in some areas and I make sure that I remove that gel before it gets cured. Application process is done and now rubbing acetone to remove any residue on the nails. Shaping them little bit from the corners because they are sharp. I am just blending them off. Using soft buffer to smooth the surface. I am using my drill to blend the cuticle side edges of the nails because they are plastic nails and filing them with filer is a bit time taking process, so for that I am using this today. The way of handling it is different for every nail tech. I handle it like this. Handling the nail drill is not difficult at all, but you have to just control your hand muscles at this time. Smoothly blend the corners and make sure that your bit don't touch your cuticles. Every bit has different shape according to its use. I have to clean the small area, so I chose the narrow one. It's looking like it's touching on my cuticle, but it's not. I'm doing this very slowly and gently to completely avoid my skin. Apply a thin layer of base coat. Also, I'm filling the cuticle side rough lines with base coat and using the self-leveling technique to get the smooth application. Remove the stickiness from the nails. Now it's time to design the nails, so let's start the process. I'm gonna use purple gel polish for the look which is coming in my mind. Apply only one coat of this polish. Reach every possible area of the back. These polish have thick consistency and we don't need to apply the second coat on the nail. I'm using soft buffer to rough this because I'm gonna make the design on it and I don't want the gel to spread on the nail. I thought to use liquid gel first, but now I've changed my mind and using the solid gel to make these structures. I took 2 unequal balls of the gel and using the slip solution to shape it well. I am making this structure which you never seen before because I did not take any inspo. All you see is my creation. I am particularly talking about my nail extension videos which I've uploaded in 2-3 weeks. I cured them and now I took third bowl to cover the empty gap and giving my nail a beautiful look. using silver chrome to enhance the texture of the 3D design. See, this structure which I made is very similar to the ancient fossil plants. And when I was studying, I saw this in my book, and that time I thought this to make in this video. Using top coat to seal the chrome. Let's move to the next nail. This is the air dry polish and I am using this as the base color of my design. After get this dry, now I am covering this with UV base coat. I am creating tiny tulips with purple gel polish. Adding some contrast with neon green color, I am gonna make stems and leaves with this. Took the makeup sponge to make the aura effect and I'm gonna apply 3-4 layers of neon shade or until I get satisfied with the solid color appearance. After that, here I'm gonna continue the theme of fossil flowers. The summer heat waves are hitting my gels and they get cured without any UV lamp. I am creating the clover leaf flower design with fossil flower texture. giving 3D effect to the tiny tulips with builder gel. Guys, the basic thought on which I am working right now is I will use 3D gel on every nail in a very different way. You can say that today's theme is 3D nails for sure. This design is also the most unique design that you have ever seen, seriously. Here I am creating the half French design with the purple polish on the neon shade. This nail gonna be the most unique among those. This nail will be the most cute nail because I am making 3D hearts on my small nail. Using the top coat to give them smooth blob like appearance because I don't want the fossil texture here, so I am using this right now. Now I'm gonna make outline on these with the neon shade. You can see that only one layer outline is not enough for them to catch the eyes. So I'm gonna do 5 to 6 layers of polish on the outline and they will look attractive with that. Cover all the nails with top coat and make sure that the 3D structure don't get over covered with this. Wiping off the excess gel from the 3D structures. This is last step. And look at the final look.